morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start with International System of Numeration. We have already learnt about Indian system of numeration, which we use in our daily life also. In Indian system of numeration, we discussed was that there are 3 periods. Each period have different places. In ones period, we had ones, tens and 100 place. In thousands period, we have 1000 and 10,000 place. And in lakhs period, we have lakh and 10 lakh place. Now, as you can see that in case of ones period, there are 3 places. In case of thousand period, there are 2 places. And in case of lakhs period, there are again 2 places. Now, we are going to start with International System of Numeration. This system of numeration is accepted internationally all over the world. Let us see what it is. In International System of Numeration, we have ones period, which is same as Indian System of Numeration. We have thousands period. Thousand period is also there in Indian System of Numeration, but there is a difference. Then we have millions period. So, 3 periods are there, ones, thousand and million. Now, when we talk about ones period, there are 3 places here, which is ones, tens and 100. Now, you can see that there is a similarity in these two system of numeration. Ones period is exactly same as Indian system of numeration. When we talk about thousands period, now please look carefully. In case of thousand period, we have 1000, 10,000. They both were already there in Indian system of numeration. And there is one more, which is 100,000. So now there are 3 places here. 3 places are there in case of thousand period. I would repeat, what are these 3 places? 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. So here we have one more place, which is 100,000. Now, as we had lakhs period in Indian system of numeration, it is not there in International System of Numeration. Instead of lakhs period, we have the third period as millions. We have millions. And how do we have the places which we have in millions is 1 million, 10 million and 100 million. Now you can see that like in thousands there are 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000 places. Similarly in million we have 1 million, 10 million and 100 million. So again here we have 3 places. So you can see that there are 3 places at ones period. There are 3 places in thousands period and there are 3 places in millions period. Now, when we are going to use the comma, you know that whenever there is a transition between one period to another period, like from ones to thousand, we put a comma in between. Similarly, when there is a transition between thousand to million, we are going to put a comma again in between. Now, another thing is that that place value of a number at ones place is 1 only because it's a single digit. So the number itself will be the place value of that number. Whereas at tens place it is 10 times. 100 place it becomes 100 times. And 1000 place is similar to the thousands place of Indian place value system, which is 1000. 10,000 is again same as Indian place value system. Now listen to the word 100,000. Yani ki we write here 100 and then there is a 1000. 0 of thousands. So this is 100,000. When we move on to 1 million, so what do we have? This is ones place, this is thousands place and 1 million. So there are 6 zeros in 1 million, whereas in 1 lakh we had 5 zeros. 1 lakh had 5 zeros. When we go to 10 million, so you could see 10 and million has 6 zeros. So this becomes 10 million. Whereas we can say that 10 million has 7 zeros. Okay. In 10 million there are 7 zeros. When we move on to 100 million, so we take this 100 and then 6 zeros here. And you know that 3 zeros here are of ones period, 3 zeros here are of thousands period. And here for 100 million, that means we have 3 digit at this place. Hope till here the concept is clear to you. Let us move on to the next slide. So, for your standard, we are going to take international place value system only till 1 million. Rest 10 million and 100 million we are not going to do. So basically we are going to learn again the 7 digit numbers. Remember 10 lakh also has 7 digits. So similar to that, we are taking international place value system. Let's start with reading the numbers and then we will take place and place value of the numbers. How do we read these numbers? As I told you, after every period there is a comma. So this is very important. Now when we have put these commas, what will happen? These numbers can easily be read. How? Let us try this. So first of all, I am going to put commas to segregate the periods. And then we will start reading the numbers and say the place and place value of the given numbers. Now, what we see here? 1 million. The number is 1 million. Now, how do we read these three? Simple, as we read at ones place. 792,000. 1,792,000. So we are going to read all three of them together. 792,000. And this one 468. This you know how to read. So now it has become easy. How do we read? Once again, let's do it. The first one is 1,792,468. Easy. Let us do the next one, the second one. So how do we read this? This is 3 million. Now read this together. This is 800,000. We need to put this 1000 word. Otherwise, how will we differentiate between the ones and the thousands period? So that means this 800 belongs to 1000 period. So 800,000 and then 245. So what will be the final reading? 3,800,245. Okay. Hope you have understood this. This is very easy. Now the next one will be 7 million. 200. Again this is 200,000. 357. Next, 2,460,580. So easy it is. Let's move on to the next one. 9 million. Is there any number in thousand apart from 0? No. So what we are going to do? We will skip thousands here. So 9 million, then we will speak 870. So the answer is 9,870,000. Children, once we learn to read these numbers, I have told you earlier also, it is always easy to write the numbers. That means the number name of these numbers. So we have to be very careful while reading. Now let's go on to the next one. What it will be? 5 million. Nothing is here. So we will just speak 27,000. So 5,27,003. We are not going to use and word anywhere. We are going to speak the numbers continuously. So this is 5,027,003. What about the last one? Let's read together. Now you also will read with me. 8,915,712. Again, 8,915,712. Now you are able to read this. Now let us discuss the another thing, the place and the place value. This is also easy, exactly same as Indian place value. I will discuss a few with you. Look here. If we talk about the digits here at ones period, you all know the places. Like 8th place is 1, ones. 6th place is tens. 4th place is 100. What is the place of this two? The place of this two is 1000. Okay. Place of 9 is 10,000. Place of 7 is 100,000. And place of 1 is million. Now this is how we say it. So now let us see what is the place value of these numbers. Place value of 8 is 88. Sorry. The place value of 8 is 8. The place value of 6 is 6 tenths or 60. Place value of 4 is 400. Place value of 2 is 2000. Place value of 9 is 90,000 or 910,000 means the same. Place value of 7 is 700,000. How do we write it? We will write like this: 700, comma, 1000. Hope you have understood this. This is 1. The place value is 1 million. The place value of this one is 1 million. What will be the place value of this 3? This will be 3 million. Place value of 7, 7 million. Place value of 2 will be 2 million. Place value of 9 will be 9 million. Place value of 5 will be 5 million. And place value of 8 will be 8 million. Now, I hope this is very clear. Just like Indian system of numeration, only the places are little different. But then, based on them, we can easily make out the value. Okay. What will be the place value of 0? You remember, we have done this. Wherever the 0 is, its place value remains 0 only. It does not change. So here in International System of Numeration also, the place value will not change. Let's read the numbers again and write the number names for them. So when we look at the first example, this is one's period, this is thousands period, and this is millions period. So the number is 1 million. This is again one's period, thousands period, and million period. So this is 5,027,000, because at 100,000 place there is a 0. So we will just take 27,506. Let's take the other example. One's period, thousands period, millions period. So 2,100,000. Very important. Sometimes when you are doing these questions, you tend to forget writing 1,000. So we have to make a habit of writing 1,000. Else the answer will be wrong. So 2,100,963. What is the next one? Here we have one's period and thousands period only. So the number will be 843,000. 843,000. In continuation, 389. 389. Let's move on to the next slide. Now the number name is given. And how do we write in numerals? Children, as I told you, in Indian place value chart, whenever you are writing the number name in numerals, always make the place value chart. You will never make a mistake. And this is what you want. Even I do make mistakes if I don't write this way. So it's a practice which we do. And maybe when you are expert, so you can just write the numbers by putting the commas. Let's see them. See, the number is 7 million. That's it. So what I'm going to do, see, I'm going to place 7 in millions. 1 million, that's it. And rest of the digit, as you can observe, I have put 0. Why 0? Because there is no There is no number mentioned under 1000 period and ones period. So that is why I tell you to write the numbers always in place value chart, and it is the best way of writing them. Next number is 4 of million. So what I am going to do, I am going to put this 4 in million. That's it. Let's read ahead. 200,000. So 2 is under 100. The question is self-explanatory. I really don't need to use my brain in this. The number is saying 200,000. 200. That means 2 will come under 100 place. 1000. That means 10,000, 1000 doesn't have any digit. So again, put the 0. Put the 0. And the last one is 531. Now this is clean and clear. All 3 digits are there. 531. So the number is here 4,200,531. I hope this is clear now. Let's move on to the third example. This is 62,000. 62,000. That means there is no number at million place. There is no number at 100,000 place. 62 normal, no? The way you write in Indian place value chart. 62,301 together. 62,301. Now the next is 2 million. 2 million. Now we have to fill up the millions place. Here it is. Fill the millions place. Then 222,000 over. So first we write 222,000. 222,000. No other number, but we cannot leave ones period empty. So we have to write zeros in the places. This is very important. You have to write 0 in the places. Okay? Hope you have understood this also. This is very simple and easy once the Indian place value chart is clear to you. So we have practiced enough of Indian place value chart. In case of international place value chart, we are going to cover only a few points, and that's it. Now let's do some reading of these numbers. How do we read these numbers? Let us try them. Now again, how do we read them? 124 is here. This is ones period. This is thousands and this is million. 9,896,124, and we are going to write it in the same way. Let's read the next one. Now you people are expert, so let's read them. Again with the commas, things are much easier. So 1,417,560. What about this one? 4,899,321. 1000. Remember this 1000 word. Next, this is 5 million. That's it. Next one is 890,000. 500. 890,500. Now, my dear students, just practice speaking these numbers first. Forget about writing them. First, you practice speaking them nicely under the period, under the place values. Then you will be easily able to Write the number names of these numbers according to international place value chart. Hope you have got the concept clear.